Hey, yo, Wagner. Yeah, I'm not talking to your man Solo. I'm talking to you. Yeah, Wagner, the hot shot linebacker. You're over there with the Seahawks. I'm the original Seahawk of Newport Beach. Mr. Hotshot Seattle Seahawk. And I hope you're ready, Wagner. Cause I'm ready to get out in Riverside Martin Luther King's parking lot. I'm ready to go over in Riverside Martin Luther King's parking lot. And slam heads on live. Do some football hits on live, Wagner. And show you I still got the touch. It's gonna go down, it's gonna be on live at Riverside Martin Luther King's parking lot. Wagner, he's that scary guy, Wagner. He's already scared you won loves over there. That's why I started my own movement. I got my own clothing, I got my own jewelry. James Jelks. Say no why he love. Pick the new ring, y'all see that? Got the new Ain't No Why You Love skeleton right there. The new Ain't No Why You Love skeleton right there. Breaking it out here at Ocean View High School. Where it all began at. The beginning, Ocean View. Here, right now. Feeling myself. Telling y'all right now that Riverside Martin Luther King's Hall of Shame. From Riverside Martin Luther King's Hall of Shame of the King. Right here, peep the beautiful view. Ocean View. We got cyber vehicles in the house. And everything. And it's going down. Me and Wagner gonna hit. Linebacker Wagner. We're gonna hit. We're gonna go for a 3-point stance. Straight down on a 3-point stance. We're gonna hit it out. And see what man is gonna land first. Who's gonna land? Who's gonna land and who's gonna stand? Wagner, the linebacker Wagner. That's what we're gonna see. We're gonna see who stands and who lands. K. Lazarus can hold the phone. And I know you're laughing. You think something's funny. You think something's funny about it. But I'm coming. I'm getting in shape. I'm staying alive. I'm staying ready. This is where Marvin flopped. Marvin threw it all the way at Ocean View High School right now. Jim Harrison's arena. Jim Harrison's arena. The home of the Seahawks right now. Here on Warner. Golden West. Range. The star was said to be the star in the making. The star in the making. He was the star. And Leonard had to take over the show. Here at Ocean View High School, people tripping out. They calling the cops. You know what? Look, I'm the star. This was supposed to be mine. That's what I'm just gonna tell the cops. Man, I came over here and I'm telling them that I'm the biggest what if. One of the best ball players not to see his prime. Outlaw, stop, man, over here. Ocean View High School right now. So my uncle, man, ain't no why he love. Ain't no why he love. Riverside Martin Luther King's Hall of Shame. We got cyber cars in the arena. We got cyber cars on live right now, man. We got the cyber car on live, man. There it is. Hopping over here on the cyber call right now. Online, Ocean View High School right now. Seeing the skateboarders here, they ain't even tripping on me. See, cause they doing their thing, they celebrities too. See, you normal people don't understand how us celebrities move, man. We need to be shooting these videos for a reason, man. I'm over here in front of the Cyber Core 2025 of AI out here where it all ended for Marvin Lee. Showing up here high before his game, thinking he was in the Sun-Kissed League arena. And it was all over. Ocean View High School, Mark Zuckerberg. Ocean View High School, man. Getting this thing popping, man. Outlawed, outcast. Retire the jersey, show some respect, be the honor and none of it all. Ocean View High School, on live right now. On live. Ain't nobody love. To the death of me. Can't keep that view. Keep that view. See that? We're at Ocean View High School right now. Cause all over Riverside Martin Luther King. Jane Chunks? Because all over Riverside Martin Luther King. Levy Garland? Cause all over Riverside Martin Luther King. Matthew Thomas? Cause all over Riverside Kings. Jane Jealous? You weak guys, you all on. You guys screwed me over and didn't do nothing. I'm sitting here, I'm at the back of the bench for y'all when I could have been starting in many other programs. Cyber caught up. He's cyber caught up at Ocean View. Over here at Ocean View High School right now. Jim Harrison's arena. Jim Harrison's arena. I see that. Harrison's arena.